Hello viewers, this is Dikshit Kumar. So you can see the detail of screw jaw. So now let us do this item number 1, that is body made up of cast iron. So you can note down this drawing. You'll find the drawing in below description. So let us begin. Go to solid edge, click on solid part, go to named views, set as ISO. We will do it using a revolved protrusion. So select revolved protrusion, select front reference plane. Using line command, I'll draw the profile. So I'll be drawing the profile like this. Make sure this is equal. So I'll put the relation. So the relationship, so equal. So this one, it is equal to this. Now using smart dimension, I will fix all the dimension. So please note that all the dimension I'll be going stepwise. So first, number 1 dimension will be this one. So this is 3 mm, enter. So next, number 2, so this is number 2, so that will be 20 mm. Next, number 3 is the outer diameter. So from here to here it is 140. So let us make it as 140 divided by 2, enter. So next, third one, sorry, the fourth one, so from here to here, so it is 100 diameter, so 100 divided by 2, enter. Next is fifth, so this height will become fifth, so that is 40 mm. Next, this diameter, it will become the sixth dimension, so that is 70 by 2. Next, the seventh one, from here to here, so that will become 66 divided by 2. I hope you understood this. So this thing. The last one is the height. So from the base to the top, so this length is 185 mm, enter. So just click on fit. So this is the outer profile. So now I'll be using offset. So the offset distance will be 10 mm. So I'll make it as single. So I'll just select this line, just left click, right click, left click, and you have to end with the right click. Similarly, you have to select this line, left click, right click, left click, and right click. So next, I'll be using extend to next. So I'll just zoom this much area. So I'll be using extend to next option. So this line is extended to the next. Click on fit, and also this has to be extended. So use extend to next. So this will become the extension. Now using trim, I will trim off this extra line. So this line I will be trimming. So next, so this line I'll just trim off. Click on fit. I'll zoom this area. Using line, I'll just close the profile. Right click and fit. So this will become the outer profile. I have to select the axis of revolution. Just select the axis of revolution and make this as axis of revolution. Now click on return. So the angle is 360. So click here, 360. I'll fit, finish, cancel. Now I'll be selecting round. I'll be setting as 8 mm, enter. So I have to select this edge, click here, accept, preview, finish, cancel. So the body is complete. You can see here. So I'll set as ISO and fit. We'll go to tools, material table, and the material given is cast iron. I'll just type as cast iron and apply to model. So I'll click on save. Summary, the title will be body. I will just copy this, click on OK. So I'll create a new folder. So I'll create a new folder with the name screw jack. OK. So under screw jack, the file name will become body. Click on save. That's it. We have completed the body. Thank you for watching.